Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome back to the session of English. I, Hital Shah, would like to share about an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. She is a very famous astronaut, and you might have heard about her many times. She was an Indian American astronaut. Now, what is the meaning of Indian American? Indian American means she was born and brought up in India, but then later on she moved to America and settled there. So we say that she is having Indian origin. Now, when she went to the space through the space shuttle, what is space shuttle? It is from which the crew members means the people together when they go for a voyage means journey to the space, then they move in the spaceship, so that vehicle in which they sit and go, that is known as the space shuttle. Now the life in that is totally different. When they sit in it, you might have seen the video that I had shown you last year, that how they do the journey in the space shuttle. It's really difficult, and a special type of training is given to them in order to go to the space. Even they have a special type of clothing. They have a special space suit. You can see in this picture on the right side, a special space suit is worn by the voyagers who go to the space. So all these people, they are specially trained for that. So Kalpana Chawla also, she was an astronaut, but before she had not been trained for this because she had just done her engineering. But her dreams came true when she completed her PhD in astronaut engineering, and then she took special training for it, and she was selected for the training and she went to NASA. So children, we can dream high only if we have high aspirations. Aspirations means we have good ideas, we have good thoughts, and if we dream big, we also can become big, and we can also become great, like great people. So during her voyage, she gave message to her students from the spaceship. So this message was, the path from dreams to success does exist. Means if you dream high, you may achieve success. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. So she inspires the students to make such a kind of journey to the space, and she wants them to think high, to lead to the path of success. So she also adds that there will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So in order to fulfill our dreams, we need to work very hard. Same thing in the words of APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great personality who inspired many people. And in his words, we say that dreams are not those which comes while we are sleeping, but dreams are those when you don't sleep before fulfilling them. So in order to fulfill our dreams, we must work so hard that we will not take rest until our goal is achieved. हमें कुछ पाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. तो ड्रीम्स वो नहीं होते हैं जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं. हम सब सपने देखते हैं, लेकिन अब्दुल कलाम जी कहते हैं कि हमें ऐसे ख्वाब देखने चाहिए जो हम सोते वक्त देखते हैं, वो ख्वाब नहीं, लेकिन ख्वाब वो है जो जब तक हम उसको पूरा न करें तब तक हमें नींद ना आए. सो वी मस्ट वर्क हार्ड इन ऑर्डर टू अचीव सक्सेस, in order to achieve our goal. So right now what is our goal? Right now our goal is to get good marks, achieve success in examination. But examination is just a small goal. It is a short term goal. But what should be your long term goal? To achieve success in life, to become a good personality, to reach a higher position, or any of your dreams. It may be to become the Prime Minister of India, or you may have your own goal. So achieve it by working hard. Okay, one of the journalists, he said, when the Kalpana Chawla's voyage was on the way, and when it on the way back to the America, so while it crashed, he said, for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla had become an inspiration, as her achievement is awe-inspiring. He said, though the mission was not successful, but it was only because the plane crashed, or the spaceship crashed during the return while coming back. But when they had gone there, they had conducted 80 experiments, and they had got so many photographs and so many things they had achieved. So it's not that the people, when they go, they achieve something and they inspire others also. So he also said that the story of Kalpana Chawla was really inspiring, and we must get inspired by her story. So let us move on to see some glimpses of Kalpana's journey from 1962 to 2003, because she was born on March 17, 1962, and she died on February 1, 2003. She was India's daughter because she brought laurels to India. She made Indians proud. Okay, now let us talk about her life. She was born in Karnal. Karnal is a city in Haryana. It's also known as the Paris of Haryana. She graduated in engineering from Tagore School. Now her parents, they just wanted her to complete her graduation and nothing else. But she had high goals. And so when she completed her bachelor degrees in aeronautical engineering, she continued with the master's degree in engineering at the United States. So finally her parents agreed, because she had the aspiration, she had the dream, and she wanted to fulfill it somehow. So her parents agreed. And then, after completing her PhD in aerospace engineering, she became the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. And she participated in a successful mission in space. So, children, how is it possible? Because she dreamt high. She had a dream to become a space person. She wanted to explore the space, and she did it. She was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. She was a certified flight instructor. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. She was selected in NASA for training as an astronaut in 1994. The duration of her first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes. She went around the Earth. That means her space shuttle. She went with the 6 other crew members, and their spaceship went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. So this is about the voyage to the space. The experiments that were performed by the crew were pollinating plants to observe food growth in plants. They made tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, and they conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey. तो नीचे आने से पहले उन्होंने स्पेस में 80 एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कंडक्ट किए थे. एंड डियर चिल्ड्रन, इट्स रियली वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट in the space to conduct experiments. So it's a great achievement by them. Now it's our turn. We also will, when we grow up, that means when you grow up, you also think high, you also have the dream of exploring space or becoming an astronaut or a pilot. So all the best. Okay, now this is about the very pity condition of the Columbia disaster when the spaceship blasts. This happened on February 1, 2003. 7 people were killed on the board. On the board means in the spaceship. And they were broken apart in flames. मतलब पूरा स्पेसशिप जो था वो पूरा ब्लास्ट होके जल गया. एंड दे ऑल डाइड. द शटल वॉज फ्लाइंग एट एन अल्टीट्यूड. अल्टीट्यूड मीन्स एट एन हाइट, एट अ हाइट ऑफ ओवर 3 lakh feet, and it was traveling at over 30,000 kilometers per hour. इतनी स्पीड पे था वो स्पेस शटल और इतनी ऊंचाई पे था जब वो स्पेस शटल ब्लास्ट हो गया. इट वॉज रियली अ वेरी पिटी कंडीशन. इट वॉज अ ग्रेट डिजास्टर. बट एवरी डिजास्टर गिव्स अ मैसेज, अ पॉजिटिव मैसेज, that even something wrong happens, we have to move forward. We have to learn from our mistakes. Making mistakes is not wrong, but we must not repeat our mistakes. So this was a great lesson learned by the journey. So the positive message that we get from this is, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to sail or surf. हमें अपनी दिशा बदलनी है. अगर हम अपनी दशा नहीं सुधार सकते तो हमें अपनी दिशा बदलनी है. सो वी हैव टू एनी हाउ लर्न टू लिव इन कैलामिटीज और ड्यूरिंग डिजास्टर्स. Nowadays we are facing the pandemic COVID-19, but we learn how to struggle, we learn how to live in this condition also. But what is the major thing that we have to do? We have to take care, we have to stay safe, we have to maintain social distancing. So this is how we are fighting against it. So same message is given by this voyage by Kalpana Chawla to the space. She said that success is not only when we succeed in everything, but when we move on and when we learn from our mistakes, then we make success. So we have to become stronger in the face of adversity. We have to become strong, we have to learn, and this is all about the inspiring story of Kalpana Chawla. I would like all of you to read the lesson well and go across the terminologies and the terms that are used in the lesson related to the spaceship, because you will come across many new words. I'll give the meanings of these words in the next session, but I would like you to find out the meaning of the words and go through these new words. There is an assignment for you. You have to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. You have to find this information. Most of the information I have shared from the video itself, shared in the video itself, but still you can find out on your own, and please write it in your notebook. Hope you have understood and learned a lot from this inspiring story of Kalpana Chawla. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.